Hello, friends. Welcome to the Slow English Podcast. My name is Marco.
And I'm Erica. We speak slow and clear English to help you learn and practice.
Today, we have a special episode for you.
Yes, a simple story in the past tense.
We will read the story slowly, and then we will practice shadowing.
Shadowing means you listen and repeat after us.
Are you ready? Let's start.
Yesterday was a beautiful day.
The sun was bright and the sky was blue.
I woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
I brushed my teeth and took a shower.
Then I ate breakfast.
I had bread and coffee.
After breakfast, I went to the park.
The park was big and green.
I walked slowly and looked at the flowers.
I saw two birds in a tree.
They sang a beautiful song.
In the afternoon, I met my friend Anna.
We drank tea together and talked for 1 hour.
After that, I went home.
In the evening, I watched a movie.
It was a funny movie, and I laughed a lot.
Finally, I went to bed at 10 o'clock.
It was a good day.
Let's review some past tense words from the story.
Wake up was woke up.
Go was went.
See was saw.
Have was had.
Watch was watched.
Good job.
Now listen and repeat after us. Speak slowly and clearly.
Yesterday was a beautiful day.
I woke up at 7 o'clock.
I went to the park.
I saw two birds in a tree.
I met my friend Anna.
I watched a funny movie.
Great job. You are doing amazing.
Thank you for listening to the Slow English Podcast.
Today, you learned a simple story in the past tense.
And you practiced shadowing and speaking.
Remember, listen again and repeat every day.
If you liked this episode, share it with your friends.
And subscribe for more slow English stories and lessons.
See you next time.